Welcome to Transoft Full Truck Loading or FTL demonstration. The FTL or Full Truck Loading section provides us with the following options: Truck Engage, C-Note, Dispatch, Release Proof of Delivery or POD, Vendor Bills and Vendor Service Bills. The Truck Engage section helps us manage and keep track of all the vehicles that have been engaged for delivery. We can also book a new vehicle or engage it for delivery from here. We can add a new truck engage by clicking on the top right of the Truck Engage section. We can just fill out the form and click on Submit to add it. Then, our vehicle engage will be visible in the Truck Engage section. Each text box is filled dynamically, and we can add new consignee, consignors and other fields by clicking the red plus sign. In this section we can keep track of all the C-Notes and even make new C-Notes from existing vehicle engage. This can be done by clicking on the Vehicle to C-Note button in the Action column. The Dispatch section allows us to dispatch the vehicles that have been engaged and loaded from loading point. We can select Transshipment, dispatch the vehicle, generate vehicle freight challan, vehicle payment, and even do the fuel entry from here. The Release section allows us to release the vehicles that have reached the unloading point and have completed the unloading process. The POD or Proof of Delivery section contains details of the vehicles that have already completed the delivery. This section allows us to generate Vehicle Release Proof of Delivery, Vehicle C-Note Proof of Delivery, make the vehicle payment and do fuel entry. The Vendor Bills section allows us to keep track of all the vendor bills. We can view or edit existing bills, download and print receipts, and add new bills from this section. We can add a new vendor bill from the Vendor Bill section by clicking the Add New button on the top right corner of the page. We just have to enter the bill from, bill to, FC number, and the rest of the details will automatically be fetched. Once we click on Submit, the new vendor bill will be added. In the Vendor Service Bills section, we can manage vendor service bills or the bills for the various services offered or availed by the vendor. Similar to the Vendor Bill section, we can view, edit and delete existing bills, download the receipt, and even add a new bill. We can add a new vendor service bill from the Service Bills section by clicking the Add New button on the top right of the page. We just have to add the service details and for which vendor we want to make the bill. Once that is done, we can click on Submit and the new service bill will be added in the Service Bills section. In the Party Bills section we can manage the party bills. It allows us to view, edit, delete the existing bills for the parties, and we can even add new bills. We can add a new party bill from the Party Bill section by clicking the Add New button on the top right of the page. We just have to add the service details and for which party we want to make the bill. Once that is done, we can click on Submit and the new party bill will be added in the Party Bills section. For more information, please contact us on the details shown on the screen. I hope this video was insightful. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more informative videos on our product, Transoft.